Unplanned machine stops are expensive, especially then when bigger components with long delivery time are affected from that. What can we do against that? We will talk about it after the intro. Often, the customer calls us when it's already too late. If the gearbox is defective, the downtime can take more than 8 weeks, and the resulting loss of production exceeds by far the cost of a new gearbox. Here are example calculations. We have a 2-shift production on a ZTC40 Max. That would mean 900 euro turnover per hour and 14,400 euro a day. And for 8 weeks it means more than €500,000 loss of turnover. So, what can we do against that? Today we invited the gearbox specialist Antonia Olwerder. Hello Antonia.
Hello Taku.
So Antonia, no customer wants a defective gearbox, so what do you recommend us?
The keyword here is a permanent online vibration measurement of gearbox and motor bearings.
Okay, and what does it exactly mean?
Well Taku, it's not possible to look into the machine while it's in operation, and therefore no conclusions about the installed components can be drawn. An online vibration measurement makes this possible though. In this way, the bad vibrations can be identified.
Oh, I thought there's only good vibrations.
Unfortunately, this is not the case. Vibrations are often necessary, but by no means all vibrations are good. Let me show you this. As you can see, at low vibrations, nothing happens yet. However, if there are strong vibrations, the consequences can be fatal. And exactly such vibrations can also be found in an extruder. When a component is worn out, the vibration it emits change. These changes are hardly or not at all audible. That's why we work with sensors here. These sensors can detect the changes long before fatal damage occurs.
And how can we imagine that with the sensors?
We equip your extruder with online vibration measurement tools. These, in order to maintain the drivetrain correctly, 3 sensors are attached to a gearbox and 1 to the drive. They are integrated into the extruder system controls via Profinet interface. The sensors record all data they receive.
And how are the individual objects sorted out?
Just like the human ear filters out a familiar voice out of a variety of other sound, so does the processing software too. With a Fourier transformation, in other words, sorting the signal according to its individual frequencies, no patterns are detected and defective components can be found.
Okay, sounds very good. But how can the customer actually detect their failure with the sensors?
We work with a traffic light system here. If the light is green, everything runs smoothly. When a bearing damage occurs, the light turns orange. Now the customer has a few more weeks left where he can continue to produce. But he should by all means take all the necessary steps to replace said bearing, because at red the gearbox stops, and so does the production.
So if the failure happens, how long does it take for the customer to detect their failure?
Well, a diagnosis itself can be made in just a few minutes. The measured values are compared to the defect frequencies previously entered in the software. Thus, the defective bearing can be precisely identified and determined.
If the traffic lights turns orange, contact us and we will repair your bearings, and if necessary, we will also provide you a spare gearbox. And for any further questions to our online vibration measurement, contact us here. And that's it for today's Maxx Chexx It Out. See you next time, your Leistritz service team.